I got to do a real quick live here because I got to be on Bangladesh. Hey, Bangladesh. We're coming here in a couple minutes to see you. I want to let you know what's going on today at 8 o'clock tonight. I hope my video's working. It's jumping. 8 o'clock tonight, we got the Robin Noble presentation. Pam Turner, Kevin Rutledge, myself, Marty. I'm not sure if Mike's going to be there tonight or Dan Street. We're going to be doing a presentation Q&A at 8 o'clock. I will post that link later on my Facebook. It'll also be posted in the back office. And then at 9:15, we got our rapid fire, founders only. That link will be in your back office. Let's see. Hey, Prathap, what's happening? Sabias, who's coming on here? Rock, what's happening? Jacqueline, what's happening? So I want to bring your attention to something. Founders, there is a pretty nasty video going around out there. Myself and many of us are on it. Please do not look at it. Just delete it, please. This guy has no clue of what Onpassive is. So I'm asking you, if someone sends it to you, just delete it. Don't watch it. Okay? We all know what the truth is in Onpassive. We know what we're doing. We know what it's all about. And you know, we got our evil people on YouTube that likes to spread bad things about us because they're not visionaries and they don't believe it. So if you do get a chance, do not look at that video. Please just delete it. Don't give this guy any more freebies. Just delete the video. You know it's not true. It's a long video and it's not good. It says a lot of bad things about us, my brothers, my sisters, and I don't like it. I'm a punching bag with the rest of us right now, and that's okay. We can take the punches. We'll get them all back when we launch to the world, which I'm saving all these things up just so I can actually text them back when it happens and say, hey, now what are you going to say, buddy? But get on these today. Hey, Pam, what's happening? Donna, Sharon, David, what's happening? Spain is in the house. Hey, Don McIntyre. But guys, get in this. Check it out. Bangladesh, I got to go on in like 10 minutes here. I don't want to be late for that. Keep plugged in. Understand what Onpassive's all about. Keep your faith up. And Ash is doing everything he can to try to get this going. He's got a lot of work to do, which a lot of people don't understand how big a global company is. Man, I wouldn't want to walk in his shoes right now, but I know he is walking in his shoes for all of us, protecting us, doing the right things, making sure it's all done right. So stay positive. All right, I got a lot of calls last night when that video came out, and that's okay. There's a lot of bad things on internet, YouTube, that says bad things about people that are never true. So just ignore it. Please just delete it. Don't share it. Don't make this guy look any... He shared one of my lives the other day, and it's just like, man, what are you going to do? That's the internet. But keep positive. Stay strong. I love every one of you. I would like to also call out Jane Redfern today. Today is her birthday. Happy birthday, Jane. I hope you're having a wonderful day today. I know Red is going to pop on the Bangladesh for a couple minutes, and then he's going to enjoy his day with his beautiful wife. I actually just got to talk to her for a second, and Red, pretty cool. I got to wish her happy birthday in person, so I loved it. So you want to do something positive today? I want you to blow up all the Onpassive groups and wish Jane Redfern a happy birthday. All right. Also thank Redfern for doing all that he does with all his great videos. Sometimes we even need pickups, guys, so that would help out major. I'd appreciate you if you did that. But I really got to go. Hey, Patricia. Hey, Pam. Perp. Tenzi. Ooh, it's a quick one here today, but check it out. Get in Onpassive. Text me back. Listen, you people out there that don't believe, or someone makes a video and tells lies about us, call me. Text me. Ask me anything you want, and I'll tell you the truth. Okay? A lot of things out there that are said on the internet that aren't the truth, and they damage. It's damaging sometimes, and that sucks when you put everything into it because you believe in it so much, and some person comes along and makes some stupid ass video and tries to make us look bad. You're not bad. Remember, I said you guys are the foundation of Onpassive. That means you're strong. You can hold the tallest building in the world, and it's never going to fall down because of people like you. Okay, so hang on to that. Hang on to that faith. This is coming. It's happening. I don't care what anyone says. I know in my heart I know in my head, my big head, what to believe. Because you know why? Because I'm plugged in. Because I listen to the leadership. I listen to Ash Mafara, what he's saying is going to happen. And I'm positive. I'm the most positive person you're ever going to meet in your life. And I'm here to tell you that this is happening, folks. Get ready, because it's coming. If you got a birthday like Jane Redford, happy birthday. If you're sick, we're praying for you. I'm even going to pray for the person that put out that video, that hope that God opens his eyes and ears and brains and stop being so damn narrow-minded. All right, because you really don't know anything, my friend. You made a ton of money off your YouTube video. Hey, good for you. Too bad it's all lies. We tell the truth in Onpassive. That's all I can say. If you want to call me up and talk to me personally, I would love that. I would love to tell you the truth, and maybe me and you can make a video, and let's pass out the real information and the true information about Onpassive, because it's truly coming to change humanity. It's going to help you, you bonehead. You just don't even know it. It's going to help your country. It's going to help your family. Get in this. Chris Johnson here saying it's happening. It's coming. Bangladesh, I'll see you in 2 minutes. I love you all. I'll see ya. If I missed your name, I apologize because I'm in a hurry. Hey, Jocelyn, what's happening? Juanita, Jana, Zoran, what's happening, buddy? Lystra, Cheryl. Spread this out, people. Let's get positive. Let's put the positive back. All right, where these negative people are trying to slay us. Let's get them. Let's get them, folks. All right, John White, what's happening? The Barbershop Quartet. Jason Gaynor. Woo! Come on, folks, get fired up. You know what's happening. Other people don't, because they're idiots. They don't understand what this is about, and it really is about helping them. So I'm sorry I called you an idiot, but you are. All right, I got to go. Bangladesh, here I come. It's coming. Hey, hey, hey. I'll see y'all later. Bye.